There are many things to like about SUI. There are also many potential red flags. In this video, we're going to look at SUI objectively. We're going to look at data that you will not see in other videos. A lot of that data is very, very volatile. For example, this is the number of new accounts. This chart starts in April of last year, and sometimes we've got spikes even beyond 10,000 new accounts in a day. Then we've got other days where we are down to very, very low levels, like 166 new accounts in a day. Now, why are we looking at that data in the first place? The idea is to get an estimate of what is demand versus supply. Of course, we can look at supply, and we will. We're going to look at how much is supply expanding in the future. But for demand, we want to get a feeling of how much usage is there for the blockchain. Now, there is a chart with much less erratic movements, and that's the total value locked on SUI. That's from DeFi Llama, and that went from 36 million in May of last year all the way to 285 million today. Now, one might argue, of course, the total value lock goes up when the price of SUI itself goes up. But that's not the entire story, because you can look at this chart not just in US dollars, but also denominated in SUI tokens. And this also goes up. This is very, very positive. Now, what's causing that rally? It's mainly two applications. It's the Navi protocol and its FlowX finance. Price growth was 115% in the last month. The total value locked growth of those two protocols was more than that. So this number is denominated in US dollars, and you want to see growth here that shows an inflow of capital, not just an appreciation of the capital that's already in the protocol. So here's the Navi protocol, and this might be a reason why there's so much inflows. Look at this. 20% APY plus some extra. Link is down below.